Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Do you feel that I am very old but I couldn't become an alim but I want? Or do you feel that I am very responsible person of my family? That's why I have no time. But I want to become an alim but how? Or do you feel that I study in college? I am a student of college. I have no time. I want to become an alim or alima. But how? If you feel these all, so now don't worry. Because we have an academy named Hanfi Bareivi Academy. Yes, Hanfi Bareivi Academy has expert teachers who will teach you at home. And you can become a big alimidi at home. If you want to become an alimidi at home, so please contact us. Inshallah, as well, I will reply. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.